Ever feel like you're juggling a million things, and keeping tabs on your finances feels like an Olympic sport? You're not alone. We all know how crucial it is to manage your money effectively, but with so many tools out there, it's tough to know what actually works for your unique needs. Today, we're diving deep into a popular budgeting app, Pocketguard. You've probably heard about it for personal finance, but the big question is, can Pocketguard actually work for your small business? Let's find out. Pocketguard's core strength lies in its ability to connect to your financial accounts, think bank accounts, credit cards, and even investment accounts, to give you a real-time overview of your financial situation. It automatically categorizes your transactions, allowing you to see where your money is going at a glance. This feature is undeniably helpful for any business, as understanding your cash flow is the foundation of sound financial management. One of Pocketguard's standout features is its In My Pocket calculation. This goes beyond just showing your account balances. It factors in upcoming bills and income to project how much discretionary money you'll have available. For a small business, this could be useful for forecasting short-term cash availability and making informed decisions about expenses or investments. Imagine quickly seeing if you have enough in the pipeline to cover that upcoming marketing campaign or a new piece of equipment. The app also allows you to set budgets for different spending categories. While primarily designed for personal use, you could potentially adapt this by creating categories relevant to your business expenses, such as marketing, supplies, or operational costs. This could offer a visual way to track spending against your allocated budget in each area. However, it's crucial to consider Pocketguard's limitations when it comes to small business finance. Its features are primarily geared towards personal budgeting. It lacks key functionalities that many small businesses require, such as invoicing, expense tracking with receipt capture, detailed financial reporting, like profit and loss statements or balance sheets, and integration with accounting software. For example, while you can categorize business expenses, Pocketguard doesn't offer the robust reporting capabilities that dedicated accounting software provides. You won't be able to easily generate reports needed for tax purposes or in-depth financial analysis. Similarly, if your business involves invoicing clients, Pocketguard won't handle that process for you. Think of Pocketguard as a helpful tool for getting a quick snapshot of your overall cash flow and potentially tracking broad spending categories. It can be a good starting point for very small businesses or solopreneurs who want a simple way to visualize their income and expenses in one place. You might find it useful for separating personal and business finances within the app by connecting only your business accounts. However, as your business grows and your financial needs become more complex, you'll likely find that Pocketguard's features are insufficient. You will probably need to look at dedicated accounting software designed specifically for small businesses. These platforms offer more comprehensive tools for managing invoices, tracking expenses with greater detail, generating crucial financial reports, and often integrating with other business tools. So, does Pocketguard work for small businesses? In a limited capacity, yes. It can provide a basic overview of your business finances and help with high-level budgeting. But for more robust financial management, especially as your business scales, dedicated accounting software will be a more suitable and powerful solution. It really comes down to the specific needs and complexity of your business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.